Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ringo Scarlett from Lifestyle, and this is my complete bike check. This is my main bike, and I'm going to be riding the most. Up here to the grips. These are Eastern. I forget the name of them. They're Eastern grips though. They're really nice, comfortable, good for riding. Down to the bars. These are the Eastern Atom. I decided to go with 9.25 rise, which I feel is better. Personally for me, I'm 5'10". Coming down to the stem here, this is the Eastern Throttle. Top load stem in red, looks super nice with the grips, matches my build. A red top cap to a red Eastern Bikes headset here. Really nice look, love all the red. To the frame here. This is the premium Broadway frame, full 4130 chromoly frame. I love it. It's got absolutely no mounts. This is a permanently brakeless bike. Up front here to my cranks, these are the Eastern Atom cranks. Really nice with some Mongoose alloy pedals in red. Shout out to Mongoose for hooking me up with these pedals. Sprocket. This is a premium sprocket in red. Chain. It's just a traditional chain. I think it's a KMC. I don't know, but it's just a chain. Bottom bracket here is an Odyssey bottom bracket in here. Spins my crank super well. To the front wheel here, we have some. We have an Alienation Deviant front wheel, full complete wheel, female hub, with some Salt tires, 2.4s I believe, front and back. I'm going to be switching out pretty soon, possibly Eastern ones. Forks, these are premium 4130 chromoly forks. Really nice. Going to be switching those out pretty soon with the Eastern Atom one, so stay tuned for that. Premium seat with a welded post, so your seat's never tilted. You know, it's always straight. Love that by Premium, genius design. And the back wheel here. This is a Colony Pintor with the Wasp hub. I know it's untrued. Honda Civic Si. So, look good if I had this bike on top of that. But that's going to do it, guys, for the bike check. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you feel about this bike.